Alright, YouTubers, I'm gonna start to fix my fuel tank. So these tubes go to the vent, and then this one goes to that where you put the gas. So I'm gonna take this off. So you just have to squeeze this. There you go. Oops. Alright. So it's a matter of squeezing it. Okay. You have to just squeeze it like that. Hmm. Okay. All right. Now the other end. This is what happened. Okay. So it was already fixed before. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, it's broken. It looks like it was fixed before. Okay. There you go. Right. So it was broken. Looks like somebody's trying to fix it before. So like inserting this tube, right? Yeah, there's no way this will work. Okay, so that's the problem. This one is broken. How do you broke that? Okay, YouTubers, will plan the next step on how to fix this, or I don't know what other option except to replace the whole fuel tank. I got the spare. I got the part number of the fuel tank. It's like it costs like $762 on eBay or the website Moparts Inc. So they sell those fuel tank for the Dodge. You know, all the models. All right, so we have this 3 pieces, so I'm not gonna put this back because we will try to fix this. You know, it's gonna be tough, so it's either we put the tank down, or okay, either we put the tank down. Looks like or we just gonna put some JB well on that broken piece in like the other guys that did from YouTube. They put a T on that hose, you know, the black one, the behind that cylinder, and then hook it up to that hose that goes to the alright, so we'll see. If I have the budget, we'll just replace the entire fuel tank, or if we fix this, we will create a temporary, or like I say, a permanent trapdoor to that portion, so we could access that top part of the fuel tank. And then we're just gonna cut this and put some hinges, so we're just gonna cut this that way it will be like you know, like you do in when you cut two pieces of the drum, you know, to make a barbecue grill. So we're just gonna put a hinge, you know, that way it's like a trap door. So that's the options if you fix it without dropping the fuel tank. Okay, we're just gonna have an access door on this top. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video.